The XP Pen Artist 12 is a compact and budget-friendly display drawing tablet. Designed for beginners and intermediate artists, the build is lightweight and portable, and the matte screen surface gives a comfortable, paper-like drawing experience. The customizable shortcut buttons on the side are responsive and make workflow faster. The 11.6-inch display delivers sharp visuals and good color quality. The anti-glare coating helps reduce reflections, making long drawing sessions easier on the eyes. However, the brightness level is lower compared to higher-end tablets, so it performs best in normal indoor lighting. The pen performs smoothly with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It offers accurate strokes, natural line variation, and doesn't require charging, which is convenient. There is minor parallax if viewed from an angle, but when drawing normally, accuracy feels reliable and consistent. In terms of software compatibility, the Artist 12 works well with popular programs like Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, Krita, and Medibang. Setting it up is simple. Install the driver, plug in the cables, and it's ready to use. For sketching, coloring, and everyday digital art tasks, the performance is stable and responsive. Overall, the XP Pen Artist 12 is a solid option for artists who want a display tablet without spending too much. It provides good pen performance, a comfortable drawing surface, and reliable software support. While the brightness isn't the strongest, its value for the price makes it a strong choice for beginners and students. If you're considering upgrading to the next XP Pen model, there are noticeable improvements in display quality and overall responsiveness, and that comparison can help you decide which tablet fits your workflow best. So the Artist 12 is solid. No doubt about that. But the upgrade, that's where things get interesting. Is it actually worth paying more? Tap the next video and let's break it down.